volcanoes, gentle hill or mass murdering mountain? I'm a volcano!
Hello everybody, I'm a volcano. I light you on fire because you suck, and I light you on fire because you smell bad. You give me chicken, I want chicken. Chicken. Where's my chicken? Damn village people, I kill you all. Ugh. Coming in. Acid rain! I cause it when I erupt because clouds go into the sky. It's polluting. It causes acid rain and it burns. Ugh! The burning. And then I guess sometimes when I erupt lava. The lava burns because it's fast. But sometimes it's not as fast, it's slower. Because it's different. It's Mayfic when it's faster or slower. I don't remember. I'm dumb. Swartzenegger, ugh! I'm a volcano! Ugh! The volcanoes are fun. I walked up a volcano because I'm a volcano, and I turned into one. That's the story of my life. Ugh! I'm a volcano! Ugh! Ugh! I'm tired. Volcanoes need sleep because of all the erupting. I'm fuzzy? Sean's a homo. I ate a bear. It was yummy. It tastes like chicken. Sean just threw something in my face because it's a homo. I'm gonna eat him too because it's a homo. Ugh. So, guys, go away, everybody. It's time to end my volcano thing. I don't know what the hell this is. It's shit. It sucks balls. Goodbye, guys.